Delicious cake with Nandi Diamond products. Creating a delightful cake with Nandi Diamond products is a rewarding experience. Boil 50 milliliters of milk and 50 milliliters of oil on low heat until bubbles appear. Pour the mixture into a mixing bowl and let it cool slightly. Add 80 grams of Nandi Diamond wheat flour and mix well. Incorporate the egg yolks into the mixture, ensuring it is lukewarm, not hot. Add a few drops of vanilla extract and mix thoroughly. Prepare the egg whites. Use a hand mixer to whisk the egg whites until they form a foam. Gradually add 75 grams of sugar while continuing to whisk until stiff peaks form. Combine the mixtures. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the yolk mixture, stirring from bottom to top to maintain a light, airy texture. Line a removable base cake tin with baking paper and cover the outside with foil. Pour the batter into the prepared cake tin. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cake tin in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of the cake. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool slightly before removing it from the tin. Serve warm or cold. Why Nandi Diamond? Nandi Diamond wheat flour is the key to baking perfection. Our flour is carefully processed to retain its nutritional value and provides an excellent texture and flavor to your baked goods. Business opportunity. Join the Nandi Diamond family. Become a distributor and bring our premium products to your community. Contact us today to learn more about this exciting opportunity.